Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. We're here today to introduce you to the Simply Shoe Shop die collection. So welcome on in, I'm Leo, I'm here today with Karen.
Hello.
And the lovely Mr. Alex is of course behind the cameras for us today.
Hello.
And we have the Simply Shoe Shop die set and the Fancy Footwear Frames die set. Wow,
Oh,
those are some
try
names.
saying that one quickly.
Seriously. So 2 amazing die sets that you're going to use over and over and over again, especially on these frames. Look at these patterns on here.
But not just that. We were looking at this die set the other day and I said, this can't possibly be the whole die set because we just had so many amazing samples using so many different shoes and
Isn't this teeny
it's
tiny
this
little die set?
little die set, but look
how
at
round
it.
it is.
Wow. That is completely
Oh, look at those
packed.
daps.
Oh, they're lush. They're lush. They've got their own little laces. The laces are here.
And you actually poke them through the
Through
little
the holes.
as well. You've got 2 different patterns that you can put up the side as well. So
Yep.
you've got this one's got little hearts on it and there's a little flower one as well. You've got the little sandals here.
You've got a lovely pair of high heels here.
And also your
And
classic.
a coat shoe.
Yeah, absolutely.
But you've got different patterns for the coat shoe as well. You've got different patterns for, which one is that? This,
that
no,
shape is it?
that one. Could be.
Or is it the back?
No, it's
I think it's that.
it's that one.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you've got this as well. What's this one for? It is going to be a little bit of
Tetris.
this.
Turn it the other way because
Yeah,
you've got the
oh,
dice
yeah,
the
that's
different way
right.
around.
It's going to be a bit of this going on, isn't it? So it's not that one. It's that one there, surely.
It's that one again, is it?
It's got to be, isn't it? Or is it this one? Or is it that one?
Oh, it could be that one.
Oh, it could be that one.
Well, anyway, you've got lots of patterns for your shoes that are there for you to mix and match. Obviously, you have your samples on the packaging. You can see the ones that we did. So, classic Minnie Mouse shoes, I think you'll find up here.
I love those.
them. But of course, I did say you have your fancy footwear frames as well. And like I say, this is a set you are going to reach for many, many times
Oh,
over.
so
This
much.
sunburst, if nothing else. I love that. You've got all of these stitched and scalloped and stitched and swirled and stitched and squared and scalloped and stitched edges.
Oh, what?
So, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. And every single layer has something different on it
I
to
love that.
build up this gorgeous set of ovals. And of course, you've got 3 little flowers in there to decorate as well.
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
And we have amazing samples to show you.
We
for
really
these.
do.
So,
What
where should
do
we
you
start?
want to show? I am going for
Oh, yes.
pair of red daps is what I'm going for. I love them. So you've got Shoe Love is True Love. We haven't got the stamps here.
There is a set of stamps to go with these as well.
There is a set of stamps to go with these. I haven't got the stamps actually.
But you'll see them on the website.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you can see here, we'll show you all the little stamps. So we've got Shoe Love is True Love. You've got your little red daps on this one and your frames made this beautiful. Let me just push it to the side so you can see the depth on this card. So the cover of this card, you can see here you've got like 3 thick layers and they've all been mounted on foam and it gives you this amazing aperture there.
Love it.
With your shoes on the front and your sentiment inside. Love it.
Soulmates forever.
Soulmates forever.
I have this one. So here is your actual shoe shop. Look at this.
Oh, I love that.
So life is short
By the shoes. Indeed. Oh, I can see what it is now. It doesn't go together. It's the 2 pieces for the one shoe.
Ah, there we go.
Oh, that's why I couldn't fit it in.
The pattern on this one.
Yeah.
Up here and in there. There we go.
Yeah, that's what
So
they're for.
there's your high heels and your little peep toe sandals.
Love it.
What else have you got?
I have got this one here.
Oh, look at those.
Pair of killer heels or what?
Definitely.
Love them. So we've got that beautiful sunburst around and a nice pair of red heels. Shoe Love is True Love. Love it. Absolutely adore it. Really like that one. Thanks for that, Shabney's.
I have one here from our Vicky, and she's used that little sandal on there, and we've got on this side shoe addict.
I would love to be a shoe addict. I can't wear them anymore.
No, me either. I can't find them in my size. That's not a problem for me. But again, using those lovely layered frames.
Got clown feet.
None taken. Wow.
Well, he's just looking, so I had to explain, didn't I?
So rude. Clown feet.
She needs the boxes, they come in. That's what my mother used to say. My mother used to say that to my cousin because she had, like, she was only like a size 6 or 7, something like that. And we're all like size 3 and 4. So to us, that's huge.
Yeah, that is
absolutely huge.
Wow.
The boxes, they come in, innit? I love these. Look at these. Just done in the pattern cardstock and the card around it done in the same as well.
And that's another one of the stamps. A birthday girl is in there as well.
Beautiful. I just love these. And you can see the little bows on the backs of them. I really like to. Fab. That's another one of Vicky's there. Thanks, Vicky.
I think for the last one, we're going to have to show this one.
Which one are you going?
Feeling this has got more of the stamps.
Oh, I like that. Like the short by the shoes.
Look at these. They're little acid green laces. These are more like your, I guess, more like your docks.
Yeah, gotta be.
Styled in that kind of direction. And you've got your little celebrating style tag on there as well. And then, yeah, again, life is short. Buy the shoes if you can find them in your size and you don't have clown feet. So rude.
Oh,
so
she's just jealous because she has to shop in the kids section.
I do. I've got kids' shoes on today.
Yeah.
I have got kids' shoes.
My wife's only 5'2". She does the same.
Yeah, I got school shoes. I got lovely school shoes on today.
So these sets are available now for you on our website. You can buy them together, or of course you can buy them separately if you prefer just the shoes or just the frames, whichever takes your fancy. If you are a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, of course you get your lovely 10% discount on these as well.
Nice.
If you're logged into the website, your TCK code will be automatically applied for you at checkout. If you want to spread the cost of your purchases, if you've added, just a few more die sets and a bit of cardstock and maybe some glue and a bit of glitter.
And the stamps, don't forget the stamps.
Don't forget the stamps, exactly. You can spread the cost using ShopPay, ClearPay or PayPal. Those are also available for you at checkout. Differing terms on there, so have a look, see which one suits you best. If you've enjoyed this little peek at these, don't forget to give the video a like for us and make sure you are subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell. Ding, so you never miss when we post a new video or go live, because we do that every now and again. We do that. We do. If you have picked up this set or anything else from us, don't forget to tag us in your mates. We love to see what you are making with our products. You can do that on our official Facebook group or across social media at Tonic Studios using the hashtag #ShowTonic, and you may even find that your makes are featured in our Weekender show on a Friday afternoon. We do like to do a little show and tell on there, so don't forget to watch that as well.
Good fun.
It is very good fun. Lots of chaos. Thank you so much for joining us today. We'll see you again soon. Happy crafting.